In this video, I will show you how to book ANA with Virgin Atlantic Miles. In order to do this, head over to virginatlantic.com, scroll down, and make sure to toggle the search for reward flights option. Now from in there, just input right here this flying from option as well as flying to. So for example, let's input right here London. And then from in there, once you have done that, input right here where you're gonna fly to. I'll just input right here New York. And then it can be round trip or one way or multi-city, and then enter in here your departure as well as your return date. I'll choose February 16 until March 10, and then just choosing here how many people. Now from there, click onto the search option. Now once you have done that, it should be able to show you some Virgin Atlantic flights as well as ANA flights. So from in there, in order to fly it, you can head over and then just log in first on the Virgin Atlantic Flying Club in order to redeem your miles from there. And then you can head over and then just purchase an ANA flight using those miles.